Well, this is the latest here as far as the Narada scam is concerned. And a charge sheet now, in a final word that's coming on this charge sheet, has been filed against two Bengal ministers, against an MLA, also against the former Kolkata mayor, and ministers Firhad Hakim, Subrata Mukherjee, all having been named in this charge sheet. Now, the TMC MLA, Madan Mitra, has also been named in this ED charge sheet. It's important to note that this charge sheet also coming in after the CBI having arrested 4 TMC leaders already in the Narada TV scam, a sting case here, and earlier 2 Bengal ministers among 4 that were held by the CBI. We have with us our correspondent Tamal Saha, who's getting us further details here on this. Tamal, this would of course once again mean more heat as far as the TMC leadership is concerned on this.
Well, that's right. The face-off between the centre and the state government had been on precisely between Trinamool Congress and BJP. And at somewhere at the heart of it, you have also seen how central agencies have been targeted time and again, even though Trinamool Congress says that they have got nothing against the officers, but alleged the central agencies are being used and misused by the central government. Now, coming back to the development, the Enforcement Directorate, which had been probing the alleged money laundering aspect of the Narada sting, which came to fore back in 2016, ahead of elections, Bengal elections in 2016, the Enforcement Directorate has now filed its first charge sheet. Now, in the first charge sheet, they have named 5 people as accused. The 5 people include Trinamool Congress MLA Madan Mitra, Sitting Minister Firhad Hakim, Sitting Minister Subrata Mukherjee, former Kolkata Municipal Corporation Mayor Shobhan Chatterjee, and IPS SMH Mirza. Now, out of these 5 names who are named in the charge sheet as the accused by the Enforcement Directorate, interestingly, 4 Trinamool Congress leaders had been arrested by CBI back in May 2021, on 17th of May 2021.
Right.
Even though the Enforcement Directorate was probing the all-encompassing money laundering aspect, the complainant has so far suggested that there is substantial proof to suggest that at least the 5 people who have been named in the charge sheet have been involved in accepting money, and thus they have been summoned by the court on 16th of November 2021 to appear before the court and face trial. This is precisely the law. The Enforcement Directorate has filed the charge sheet. The court has now summoned them to come and appear before the court to face trial. What happens thereafter, we have to wait and see.
All right, Tamal, many thanks for getting us those updates there.